Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to replace your turn signal. I'll be upgrading mine from Halogen to Auxito LEDs. So I'm partnering with these guys. You can get 15% off site-wide using promo code Mark Rodriguez. Link and everything will be in the description below. So let's get on to it. We're gonna pop the trunk. I'm gonna start removing all the grommets. So this one is a cargo net grommet, so you pull out the first latch first and then pull out the second. Then we're gonna remove this grommet. Now we're gonna remove this one right here. Remove. We're gonna pull up on here. So once you pull up, you got the trunk cover sitting on top of the bottom portion. So let's remove that. And then you can remove this whole panel. And that will expose another grommet. So we're gonna remove that. And then we're gonna move the mat, cargo mat, and we're gonna pull this back. There's one more grommet right here. I forgot about that one. So let's pull these forward, and then it's an 8mm. So we're gonna move those two. Once you got the two 8mm out, you don't have to disconnect this because we're not taking the tail light completely all the way out. So you'll have enough room to get behind it, change the bulb, and then slide it back in. Alright, so this is your turn signal. The one with the black socket on the far, this is the passenger side, so the far left, right. So what you want to do, twist and unlock and then pull it out. So that's your halogen. We're going to pull it out. And then I'll be using these Auxitos. They no error, so you won't be getting no hyper flash or anything like that. So we're going to pop these in. Alright, so grip it by the sides and lock it in place and just pop it back in, twist and lock. So now we're going to put it back in. So here's a demonstration. Here's the Auxito, and then here's the halogen, and now we're going to do a nighttime view. Here's the halogen. Here's the Auxito. Damn, it's really too bright. And look how far I am. You can see how dull the halogen is compared to the Auxito. Alright, it's the next day, so now we're going to do the opposite side. Alright, so now the other one's in. So that's it for this video. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.